My name is Avinash. I represent a business called Mahati Market Essentials. We are predominantly in exhibitions, hybrid events, and conferences. Last 2 years has been tough time for every small and medium scale enterprises because their restrictions to meet people has really hampered their connections. In their business, lot of referrals or connections or business comes from people whom they meet, because when they meet they end up building up relationships which eventually result into business transactions. But a lot of small and medium scale people do not have any great marketing budgets, and participating in conferences and exhibitions always helped them gain more connections. Now, thanks to social media, people have been reaching out to a lot of new connections across the world, but the challenge still remains the same. Can I do more business from other countries or other regions without meeting people? However, it may happen once or twice, but not on long term. Long term relationships always thrive on personal connects and personal confidence. So, from a challenge, we wanted to look at how we can bring a solution. My mentor always thought that a good business or a good business model can be built around when you address a challenge to the society by giving them a beautiful solution. From that thought, we thought that let's come out with a platform which can help people, specifically small, micro, and medium scale enterprises who are struggling to meet people and who've been struggling to meet people for last 2 years because of pandemic. Now, today at Networking Marathon in Hyderabad, Season 1, on 6th and 7th August, we have around 150 people who have registered from almost 8 locations, trying to connect and see how they can help each other. This is a B2B business model concept, trying to connect and see how each of us can help each other by connecting to our business connections. Two things can happen: either they can help my business as a good vendor, or they can be a good client taking my services as a backward forward integration. Today we are seeing a lot of success stories happening. Today we are seeing a lot of opportunities getting created. Networking Marathon is a baby which has an objective of having delegates for 2 full days to only focus on networking and knowledge sharing. We have great success stories, and I really wish such stories keep emerging in every destination. We would love to conduct these exhibitions, conferences in various cities, and objective is to integrate a bigger, larger business community in various locations. And I wish every entrepreneur look forward to such platforms, connect and collaborate so that they extend their network and build business opportunities. Thank you so much. This is Avinash representing our project Networking Marathon, which is a baby of Mahati Market Essentials. Thank you, Avinash, signing off.